Here a SAT math question. Okay, let's go the information. At a hospital, the average number of minutes a doctor spends with each patient can be modeled by the equation y equals to 30 negative 3x, where x is the number of forms a doctor must fill out each day. In the context of this problem, what is the meaning of the number 3 in the equation? Okay, now let's practically approach this problem. Let me consider the equation we have over here, that is y equals to 30 negative 3x. So this y represents the average number of minutes a doctor spends with each patient, and this x represents the number of forms the doctor must fill out each day. So for example, let me take x equals to 0. That is, a doctor fills out 0 forms in each day. Then how many minutes in average will he spend with each patient? For that, we have to plug in this 0 for x over here. Then I'm getting 30 negative 3 times 0 equals to 30 negative 3 times 0 is 0. Then I'm getting 30. If your doctor fills out 0 forms each day, then he will spend 30 minutes of an average 30 minutes of time with each patient. Okay, now what if your doctor fills out 1 form each day? That is, then in that case x equals to 1. So to find the number of minutes in average the doctor spends with each patient, we have to plug in x equals to 1 into this equation. Then I'm getting y equals to 30 negative 3 times 1. Then I'm getting 30 negative 3 times 1 is 3. 30 negative 3, I'm getting 27. When the number of forms is increased by 1, that is from 0 to 1, what's happening in the number of minutes in average the doctor spends with each patient? So it decreases by 3 minutes. So when the number of forms is increased by 1, the time, the number of minutes in average the doctor spends with each patient decreases by 3 minutes. So the meaning of this 3 is the number of minutes decrease in the time the doctor spends with each patient. So we can keep this stuff in our mind and we can verify the options one by one. Okay, now let me go to the answer choice A. 1 form takes a doctor an average of 3 minutes to fill out. No, it's not correct because the given situation does not match with the work what we have done over here. So from the work what we have done over here, it's very clear. So the 3 represents the number of minutes decrease in the time the doctor spends with each patient. Okay, now we can reject option A. Now let's go to answer choice B. A doctor fills out an average of 3 forms for each patient. So this one also does not match with the work what we have done. So we can reject option B as well. Now let's go to option B. A doctor spends an average of 3 minutes with each patient. No, this is also incorrect because this situation also does not match with the work what we have done. Okay, now we go to the last answer choice D. Your doctor decreases the time spent with each patient by 3 minutes for every form that must be filled out each day. So this situation clearly matches with the work what we have done. So that is the number of forms filled out by the doctor increases by 1 each day. So the number of times in average the doctor spends with each patient will be decreased by 3 minutes. So this is the meaning of the number 3 in the equation. So this is clearly represented in the statement we have an answer choice D. So the correct answer choice for this question is D.